Okay, so last year I was asked how to make a braided onion strand. So as you can see, I've had my onions laying out here for a couple days so that they can dry after I got them out of the garden. Okay, I take really long pieces of twine. This would be 3 very long pieces. They're taller than me, so probably 8 foot maybe. And I fold them in half, and then I will start a knot at the top. Now this is what I'm gonna hang it with in my kitchen. So once I get that laid out, I'm gonna put 2 as I'm going to braid. On each section so that I can start my onion braid. Now, when you start your onion braid, you want to lay your onions this way so that the stem is with the cord. It's a little harder to get started, but it will eventually be very easy. So just basically go over and do a braid. Now each time that you move, make sure you take your cord with you. You're going to add more onions. So now I'm going to do this one, add another onion, pull over. When you get to where you think you are about finished, put a couple other braids in, making sure that string comes with each loop. This will just keep it sturdy. And then you're gonna take your string, this looks like this one didn't make it around, and you are going to, you can do this a couple different ways. This is how I do it. I'm sure many other people have ways that they have learned to braid their onions over the years, but this is how I used to do it at the museum when I worked at it as a historical interpreter. And so this is how I do it now. Just want to make a knot so that that stays together. And then when you pick up your onions, you will see they will all fold down. Make sure that you have a very sturdy place to hang it, because this is extremely heavy. The tighter you braid, the tighter they'll stay together. And as you use each onion, you can just cut off each one from the bottom. And you are done.